Hi guys, my name is Daniel. Welcome to my club. Basically, after you subscribe, you're gonna get access to this handy web interface where you're gonna be able to start your virtual machine. So right now it's a very simple interface. As you can see, your virtual machine will be under your name. So now it's my name. I actually clone them manually and do some manual steps configuring them manually after you subscribe. So it's always a personal service like that. So don't be afraid to ask me something or to say, hey, name my machine this way or that way. That's up to you. So it's not like an automated kind of plant here that's going on. It's actually one person service here. So let's try. Now here you'll have a list of available types of virtual machines. You're probably not going to rent them all, but it's just simpler for me to show all of them available. And if one is not available, then of course it's not gonna start. But let's say you subscribe to Windows 8, and all you do is you just click Start Virtual Machine. That's it. By the way, just out of curiosity, this is what's going on my server. You see, it starts up. So this is a simple VMware, and this is actually a logmein access. So we can see it. Okay, so it starts up. So while it starts up, we'll talk a little bit about what a virtual machine is and what's the value. Basically, a virtual machine is exactly like a real computer. I mean, there's practically no difference. It's just you basically take a bigger computer with more RAM and more processing power, and then create virtual machines inside of it that share that processing power, but they have actually their own dedicated memory and dedicated hard drive space. So it's essentially the same thing. And the benefits are enormous because you don't have to go and buy it or install it or install updates and then essentially spend almost all of your day just configuring one virtual machine or one real machine or even a virtual machine. Doesn't matter if you're configuring a virtual machine. It's not that different. You need extra RAM, and then you need a lot of work, a lot. I mean, these virtual machines, they took like several hours for me to configure. Now I, of course, clone them, but that's the value I'm adding. So after you start up, you're gonna get actually with subscription, you're gonna get this ID, TeamViewer ID, to connect to your virtual machine. Um, I don't remember exactly. Let me check which. This is, by the way, what's going on the server. So, um, yeah, okay. So, all right. Okay, I'll try this one. Okay, so this is not the correct one. Okay, so probably this one. Okay. So here it is. So, you get an ID and then you get a password to access it, and then you just click log on. And okay, let me minimize the server side. So here is the TeamViewer screen on your desktop that gives you access to that virtual machine. Okay, the reason why I use TeamViewer is because it's actually very high quality software, and that's available free for non-commercial use, and you can and it works through firewalls and everything. And of course, if you are a big fan of remote desktop or you're in love with it, I mean, let me know. I can probably set up a remote desktop connection for you. But I personally use TeamViewer and LogMeIn through years, okay, and they never failed me, okay. So these are very good remote connection software. So with TeamViewer, you can do many things. You can adjust the resolution. Okay, you can change the quality. You can file transfer. Okay, and you can chat if what with this you can chat. So because I'm not there. So you're gonna chat through a website. Uh, okay, so and then you can even record your interaction, with your virtual machine. But that's it. So this is a virtual machine that is run. This is Windows 8. It doesn't show. It hides the desktop background. I pre-installed the start button here, which I find quite useful. Okay, so you get access to the the colors are a little bit bleak like this. It should be blue here. I guess TeamViewer kind of saves on RAM or just downgrades a little bit, but it's not. It's really nothing to worry about. I mean, generally speaking, it's um, you get a Windows 8 right here. So I don't know what else to show you guys. I mean, maybe the Windows 8 famous uh, stuff. So yeah, so I click it here. Here it is, and then we go to start. So, and this is Windows 8. What did I install here? Um, I installed IIS just instinctively, so you can, maybe you have a website, but you can install anything you want. Okay, so the virtual machine, the configuration, I don't want to talk about particular configuration of this virtual machine because maybe I'll change it on my site, so check it with my site. Okay, but you can install any software you want, and if you want a particular software installed, let me know. So this is it. I believe I am the only service on this planet that offers you inexpensive access to desktop running virtual machines. So you can test what you want in different browsers. Maybe you need to, just to test what Windows 8 looks like, or how your software works. That's up to you. I think it creates huge value in terms of just access. Like you subscribe, and like within a half an hour, even sooner depending if I'm online, you're gonna get access to a completely ready virtual machine. I mean, this virtual machine will take you hours to install. Okay, and it's just I think that's where the value that I create is useful for you. So thank you very much, guys, and you can shut it down actually just like a normal computer. So you can shut it down to start menu like here, and that's it, and we shut it down. So let me know. Subscribe to my virtual machine, start using them, and thank you very much. Goodbye.